This is not. No. Just put him in cuffs.
Y'all want to follow this man all night. Do what you got to do. And I'm hot too.
Because y'all don't understand it is hard for people right now. And y'all want people to trust y'all. But how can these people trust y'all?
Aujourd'hui, en plein cœur du commissariat, une confrontation totalement inattendue éclate. Un officier vient tout juste de maîtriser un homme noir, mais la chef de police estime que cette intervention dépasse son champ de compétences et porte clairement les signes d'un abus d'autorité. Elle tente d'apaiser la situation et ordonne la remise en liberté immédiate. Pourtant, l'agent concerné ignore ouvertement ses instructions et rétorque sèchement « C'est moi qui dirige ce contrôle routier, ce n'est pas une affaire dans laquelle vous pouvez intervenir ». Les faits se déroulent le 24 août 2025 dans la ville de Little Rock, dans l'État de l'Arkansas, aux États-Unis. Ici, on retrouve un restaurateur nommé Nick Thomas et un policier du nom d'Austin Kurtz, deux hommes qui depuis longtemps ne peuvent déjà plus se voir et se comportent en rivaux à chaque rencontre. Le jour de l'incident, Nick est au volant, en route vers un événement lorsqu'il tombe par hasard sur Austin à un croisement équipé de feux tricolores. En quelques secondes à peine, les mots fusent. Nick lance des propos insultants envers le policier et Austin se rappelle immédiatement que le permis de conduire de Nick est suspendu, ce qui signifie qu'il n'a tout simplement pas le droit légal de conduire. Une fraction de seconde plus tard, les gyrophares s'allument et le véhicule de Nick est immobilisé. À présent, regardons ensemble les images filmées par la caméra piéton de l'officier.
You got a suspended license? Yeah. Absolutely. Let me go and get all your paperwork.
Nah.
So, you gonna give me your stuff?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to you.
All right, come on.
What they say? What they say? Man, leave me the fuck alone. Fuck wrong with you?
L'homme présente au policier une sorte de permis temporaire délivré par le tribunal. Même si son permis principal est suspendu, la justice l'autorise à conduire uniquement dans les trajets domicile-travail afin de maintenir sa vie quotidienne. Aujourd'hui, il est précisément en route vers un événement lié à son activité professionnelle, ce qui signifie qu'il est tout à fait habilité à conduire dans ce cas-ci. Pourtant, l'agent refuse catégoriquement de l'admettre, en partie parce que l'homme l'a insulté un peu plus tôt, et en partie parce qu'il estime qu'il a gêné la circulation.
Still,
What it say?
you want to stop in traffic,
Now,
start
what
cussing
it say?
at me?
What it say? What it say? What it say?
I'm telling you why I
All right,
stopped
now.
you. Bro,
Guess what? What?
bro, you got a problem?
What?
Do you got a problem?
What? Leave me the fuck alone. Every time I look up, it's you.
Bro, wasn't nobody
I don't
messing
give a
with you.
fuck
You
about
stopped
none
in
of
the middle
that
of
shit.
traffic.
I don't give a
Stop
fuck
the
about
middle
none of
of
that.
All right?
Yeah, you heard
So
what I
what?
said.
So what?
What's happening?
I'm telling you what happened. Why I stopped
Bro,
you.
leave me the fuck
No,
alone, brother.
don't
Every time I
stop.
look up,
You pulled
I
up
don't
on
give a
me.
fuck about none
What
of
you
that.
mean? You pulled
see
up
my
on
license
me.
suspended.
Now you're going to cuffs. Now you're going to
Do
cuffs.
something.
Come on.
Do something. Don't touch me. Don't touch
You
me.
in this cold pocket, partner. Hands behind your back.
Don't touch me.
Voici maintenant la chef de police, Alison Walton. Selon elle, l'intervention de son subordonné constitue une arrestation inutile, dépourvue de base juridique claire. C'est pourquoi elle exige la libération immédiate de l'homme. Toutefois, l'officier ignore totalement l'ordre et réplique avec défi « C'est moi qui gère ce contrôle, ce n'est pas à vous d'intervenir ».
No, he's going. This is my stop. This is my stop. Hey, this is not. No. Just put him in cuffs.
Don't touch me. Don't touch
Put
me.
him in cuffs.
We gonna get him in cuffs. Step back.
Everybody back. What we doing?
He's going to cuffs. What? Disorderly. They said they're gonna put him in cuffs. Y'all can reduce codes. Get down here for crowd control. Clear the net.
À l'arrière-plan, plusieurs habitants se rassemblent pour observer la scène et prennent la défense de l'homme. Cela montre qu'il jouit d'une bonne réputation au sein de la communauté où beaucoup lui font confiance et n'hésitent pas à le soutenir.
Every time I look up, it's you.
Absolutely.
Kurt, step back. I got you.
Hey, where your car at?
Right there.
Why are you locking him up? That's the real racist shit.
So what's it get?
A disorderly.
Okay.
For one, he pulled up next to me at the light, wanting to come cussing me instead of drive.
Okay, Kurt, what you got him for?
Disorderly.
Okay.
Blocking traffic up there, cussing at me at the lights. Only reason I stopped, man, is to suspend the license.
Okay.
Well, nobody gonna mess with them otherwise.
Okay. I'm just asking.
You just want to leave? Do we just want to leave the car and get out of here? He's going for disorderly. Disorderly. Okay. Do we want to leave the car and get out of here or what?
That ain't
What happened?
That's y'all business. Y'all want to follow this man all night, do what you gotta do. And I'm hot too.
La chef de police demande à ses agents « Vous comptez vraiment le suivre toute la soirée ?» Sous-entendu, plusieurs policiers du commissariat le surveillaient intentionnellement depuis un moment, le traitant presque comme une personne à surveiller de près. À la radio, il ne cesse de signaler sa position, montrant clairement qu'ils suivent chacun de ses déplacements, comme s'ils attendaient simplement la moindre occasion d'intervenir. Il n'est donc pas surprenant que l'homme affirme que la police cherche constamment à lui créer des ennuis. Sa plainte ne semble pas dénuée de fondement. Peut-être est-ce précisément cette frustration qui l'a poussé, à l'arrêt du feu rouge, à lancer des insultes aux policiers. Les tensions entre les deux parties durent depuis longtemps. Et au cœur de ce moment chaotique, même la chef de police peine à maîtriser la conduite de ses agents.
But that's not my business. I asked him why he stopped me. He told me I ain't got no problem with that. He
Oh,
doing his
I
job.
know what's going on here.
Okay.
37, do you need units at 7th and 8th?
Negative. No more units need to come down here. No more units come down here to 7th and Main. Okay, Kurt, what you got him for?
Disorderly.
Okay.
Blocking traffic up there, cussing at me at the lights. The only reason I stopped, man, is to suspend the license.
Okay.
Well, nobody gonna mess with me.
Okay. I'm just asking.
Now what's going on?
He said disorderly, was driving on suspended.
Nick Thomas?
Huh?
Was that Nick Thomas?
Yeah.
Oh, you're driving on suspended.
That ain't our business.
Okay.
That's y'all business. Y'all want to follow this man all night, do what you got to do. But that's not my business. I asked him why he stopped him, and he told me I ain't got no problem with that. He doing his
I know
job.
what's going on here.
Okay.
Like, no idea what's going on. He pulled up on me, stopped in the middle of traffic, cussing.
He did?
Yeah.
Okay.
I pulled up in the traffic stop, stopped up the car.
Is he driving?
Yeah, he was driving. He said
Okay.
he had a paper with like a,
I'm listening.
supposedly a paper saying he had like granted license privilege for this amount of time.
Okay, but he stopped in the middle of the roadway and was cussing at you?
Yeah, right over there.
Okay. So if you got to beat the flow of traffic then, and if you're doing disorderly, then do disorderly.
Who's the lieutenant? Who's the sergeant? Who's on this case right now?
I can get a supervisor on the
I need
phone
to talk
for
to
you.
a supervisor right now, please.
Okay. What would you like to ask him?
I want to know why is my nephew detained in that car for one thing. We have paid every ticket. Y'all just released him, and why is he in that car? Because y'all don't understand. It is hard for people right now, and y'all want people to trust y'all. But how can these people trust y'all?
Hold on. Why are you saying y'all? Did I do something?
Us, period. All of us.
Okay.
If we come
No,
to
but I'm
keep
saying,
hurting one
did I
another.
do something?
What did y'all do to him? Why did the lady jack my nephew up in his collar? I'm answering the question because I'm his auntie.
Okay.
And I want to know so the rest of the family can get down here because we need to know why.
Okay, I will find out for you. My supervisor won't know
Please.
that. I just pulled up here.
Can you please find out for me because these are some very rude police officers. But how do I tell kids to trust the police when the police keep doing things to their person that love them?
Right.
Nick Thomas, all the kids love that young man. Y'all constantly keep locking him up. Locking him up for what though? Ain't too many people out here doing nothing for no kids.
Right.
Name me somebody that's taking care of the kids, feeding the kids, getting the kids somewhere to go, activities. Name me another person that's in this city that's doing that.
Yeah. Well, I will get that information for you and I'll let you know.
Come talk to me.
Every day they pulling up on me, and I'm not doing nothing. So like I'm tired of it. Like I'm not doing nothing. Why is they still like right now? What's y'all there for?
Okay.
I had no dude officer. I'm paying, so y'all don't trust y'all own officers.
Okay.
And I don't got no problem with this dude. Every time I see him, he.
Okay. All right.
D'après les images, il apparaît clairement que l'arrestation effectuée par l'agent relève davantage d'une réaction vexée, presque d'une forme de représailles, que d'un véritable motif professionnel. En réalité, le fait qu'un citoyen élève la voix ou insulte un policier ne constitue absolument pas une infraction, c'est une forme de liberté d'expression protégée par le premier amendement. Les policiers, eux, avancent que l'homme aurait semé le désordre au milieu de la circulation perturbant le trafic, ce qui justifierait une accusation de trouble à l'ordre public. Mais pour la chef de police, ce motif est totalement insuffisant pour procéder à une arrestation. L'affaire est ensuite portée devant le tribunal. L'homme rejette l'ensemble des accusations. Et jusqu'à présent, aucune décision définitive n'a encore été rendue. Que pensez-vous de cet événement? Avez-vous déjà vu un cas similaire? Discutons-en ensemble dans les commentaires, juste en dessous. Merci d'avoir regardé notre vidéo YouTube. Pense que la vidéo qui s'affiche à l'écran va vous plaire. Cliquez dessus pour la découvrir.